Hey, how's it going, world? My name is Billy Smith, and I'm just wanting to do a quick testimonial video on the Internet Jet Set by John CRESTANI. I started out with this course about like a month ago, and the strides that I've made by following John's videos have been absolutely amazing. Because one of the things I liked about it the most was John goes through every single nut and bolt to get started with this, and the best part about it is no money has to come out of your pocket for ad spend or nothing. He shows you the true and legit way to start your marketing campaigns with no money through SEO and through the real strategic aspects of marketing. And it really works well with my schedule too. I have a day job, and during the day I'm a visual effects artist, and I work on Hollywood movies doing compositing. And the majority of my days are really locked down by time. But what I like about the course as well is you can work through your own pace and do it at your own time, and the results are astounding. All the videos too are really built to get you off the ground as quickly as possible. There's a module on there to make your first commissions in 2 hours, and you know, I was a little nervous about that because my following on Facebook, we're all digital artists and we create worlds that are non-existent but they're believable, and I didn't think I would be able to pull it off, and I followed John's instructions step by step. I wrote the descriptions on the products that I recommended, simply recommended, you know, like I just had it and you know, like gave it away, and it took a little more than 2 hours though. I'd say probably about more like 5 or 6 hours, and I made 5 commissions on one book that I read that I'm a huge fan of called Psycho-Cybernetics. And the course is really it's really intense into it as well too. Like John, the first thing he picks out is making sure that you're serious about wanting to be an affiliate marketer, you know, making sure that you're serious about doing the research to get things done, you know, because there's no such thing as a magic button that you just push and all of a sudden you're making sales, you know. And that's one thing I like about it too is, you know, I love doing the research, I love checking out the trends, I love writing about the reviews and seeing people's reactions. And another one of my favorite modules was the website building. You know, then again, as a digital artist, you know, I am very computer savvy when it comes to, you know, special effects in movies. But when it comes to website building, I was kind of a little challenged, you know what I'm saying? But his videos step by step it enabled me to build the website that I use now for affiliate marketing, and that's econvitality.com. And I just wanted to shoot that out there. I highly recommend this program to anybody that wants to get into affiliate marketing and start their own business to live their great quality of life. That's exactly what I'm looking for too. You know, a supplemental income that I could rely on when my contracts in Hollywood end. And I want to do this the rest of my life. It's so fun. It's so amazing. I am grateful to have come across the Internet Jet Set, and especially with a guy like John that is passionate about helping other people succeed the same way that he did. And you know, that is really rare nowadays. You know, like they don't make too many people like that anymore. And I'm really grateful to have you know, have come across with John, and hopefully we could work together side by side one day, and you know, because I want to return the favor as well and help other people succeed in their online business. Thanks, man. Peace.